Hey everybody, Dr. JJ Levine with today's Mentorship Minute. You've heard me in the past talk about programming our mind, thoughts have power, the law of attraction. I'm talking about the law of attraction. Remember, thoughts have power, so if we're thinking about great things, we're going to attract great things. But if you're dwelling upon negative things and lack versus abundance, you're unfortunately going to attract those things to you. And that's tough love stuff. We don't want to hear about the negative things that are coming our way or from our thoughts, but it's totally true. If you feel that you're in a total state of despair, if you feel like you're losing everything, remember, trees lose their leaves every single year and still stand tall and wait for better days to come. So think about that. In fact, take that thought and utilize that when you're having bad days, when you feel like you're losing everything. Think of yourself as a tree. Sometimes it's okay that we lose things to make room for new growth. Again, I'd love to hear about some of the affirmations that we talked about in the past that you're reading on a daily basis. Remember, right before you go to bed and as soon as you wake up. Because affirmations, you're going to want to constantly work with them and tweak with them. So what affirmations have you been saying every day? Go ahead and write that down in the comment below. And what blessings have you seen starting to come into your lives as you've been doing these positive affirmations? As always, I look forward to sharing again with you real soon. Bye-bye, everybody.